What's going on, guys? Quick video because there was none on the internet about changing an evap emission control valve. It's code P0447 and quick, easy tutorial on how to change.
Right, first step is you're going to want to go underneath to the rear passenger side of the vehicle. Remove this carbon fiber plate. Just need your 10 and 12 millimeter socket. You're going to then want to remove this rear quarter panel underneath the back of the passenger tire. That's going to expose where the actual control valve will go. Now that we have located the valve, all we're going to need to do is disconnect this and unplug this right here. Since mine's 2009, it looks like some loose tape over here. I'm just going to go ahead for safekeeping and re-tape it with some new tape, electrical tape. And as you can see on the new one, it's going to go in like this, and it has a couple notches, so seems like all you need to do is turn it to the left or right and it'll slip right out. It should be stationed like this, clipped on to this part right here. You're going to want to move it so it is perpendicular to the ground, and then it should just pop off this little O-ring right here. And then you want to unclip it, and then you want to change out your part. All you're going to want to do is put this O-ring up to the top where these notches are. That'll help it slide in easier. When I had it all the way to the back, it didn't seem to want to go in, so popped right in there. When I moved to the front, it should be easy as that. Then you want to lock it in place and hit this clip, and you're good to go. Attach the hoses. Should be straight. Now for some added support, you can do this if you want. I'm pretty sure this code is for a low pressure or a leak, so I'm gonna use a zip tie. I don't have a hose clamp on me right now, so this should do the trick. All right, final step, obviously you know, put everything back together, got the panels done, got the carbon fiber plate back up, and I seem to lose more and more bolts each time I put it back together, but
hopefully this solved the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and clear the gauge again and drive it around for a little bit, see if it pops back up. There you have it, 2009, bam.